Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today we are going to discuss, as you have seen in the title, that we are going to discuss about Bluetooth missing. यहाँ नोटिफिकेशन मैनेज नोटिफिकेशन के ऊपर क्लिक करने पे आपको यहाँ पे ब्लूटूथ की ऑप्शन जो है वो दिखाई देती है। बहुत सारे केसेस में इट हैज़ बीन सेन दैट द ब्लूटूथ ऑप्शन इज मिसिंग इन योर सिस्टम. हाउ यू कैन फिक्स दिस? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी दैट इन माई केस the Bluetooth option is available here. So what you have to do, first of all you have to check that the airplane mode is off. It should be off. ठीक है, तो उस केस में फिर दोनों आपका वाईफाई एज वेल एज जो ब्लूटूथ है वो दोनों वर्क करेंगे प्रॉपरली. तो इफ द एयरप्लेन मोड इज ऑफ and still you are not getting the Bluetooth option, what you can do, you can check it in services. You can type the services and then a list like this will appear and you can check the Bluetooth. Here you can see that there are Bluetooth audio gateway, Bluetooth support services and Bluetooth user support services. You have to check all this must be running. In my case they all are running, and if in your case it is stopped, it is not running, you can right click it and then go to properties and then you can start it. अभी आप जैसा देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे मेरे केस में stop it is enabled and all other are disabled. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर आपके केस में ये enable है तो आपको start करना है, then apply and OK कर देना. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज, यहाँ पे स्टार्टअप टाइप जो है ऑटोमेटिक कर लें आप पहले, ठीक है, एंड देन अप्लाई एंड ओके करेंगे तो आपकी ये सर्विसेज जो है वो रन होना शुरू हो जाएंगी. एंड दिस कैन फिक्स योर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ब्लूटूथ नॉट अवेलेबल. एंड इफ दिस डज नॉट वर्क देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, you can right click on your window sign and go to device manager. If in your case it is not available, you can go to view and you can search, you can click on this show hidden devices, and after that you have to click on the action and scan for the hardware changes, and this also enables the Bluetooth option and Bluetooth will get appeared on this list. If this does not work, then click on the action again and click on add legacy hardware and then click next and choose the second option, install the hardware, and then click next. Here in this list scroll down and you can search for Bluetooth, and if it is not available over here, then go to the network adapter, click on this and click next, and then a list will appear and you have to click on the Intel and scroll it down, check if Bluetooth option is available over here or not. If it is not available in the Intel, go to Intel Corporation. I'm just telling you how you can search it out. After selecting the file, you will click next and that Bluetooth will get installed on your system. So this is the third method, and let's move to the next method. Open this PC and go to C drive. After clicking on the C drive, click on Windows and search for System32 F squared. इसको सर्च कर लेंगे. तो F squared जब आप सर्च करेंगे तो इस तरह से आपके सामने कुछ फाइल्स जो हैं, you will get the files and you will get a file with this Bluetooth logo. What you have to do, right click on it and send it to desktop. Send it to desktop. A shortcut will get created over here, and now close this and double click on this. You will see that send and receive file. You can send and receive file by using this option. And if it does not work, there are few more options, And if this does not work, what you have to do, you have to go for troubleshoot. And after coming to the troubleshoot, go for the additional troubleshooters. And in additional troubleshooter, find and fix the other problems, like you will get a Bluetooth option over here, and click on this and run for the troubleshooter. This might fix your problem. And if this also does not work, then what you have to do, you have to troubleshoot your hardware. And let's check for the troubleshoot in the hardware. What you have to do, you have to drain the power by clicking on this very button. We can drain the power by, you just have to remove the, if you are using laptop, you have to remove the, you first have to remove the battery from the compartment, and then you will press this button for 30 seconds. You will insert the battery again to the system and then start the system. This will troubleshoot the hardware, and you will get the Bluetooth option in your Windows system. And if it does not appear, then there is a possibility that of the hardware failure.